Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Equatorial Rainforest. So this is a stretch of rainforest which is a very thick and luxuriant forest which lies between the 0 degrees to 10 degrees north and south latitudes. So this is the region which is around the equator. It stretches in the Amazon basin of South America, Congo basin in Africa, and East Indies from Sumatra to New Guinea. So all the countries which lies near the equator has the equatorial type of climatic condition. So this region occupies 6% of the total Earth's surface. The equatorial belt receives direct rays or perpendicular rays of the sun throughout the year. So the amount of sunshine or the insolation is really high, due to which the temperatures also become very high throughout the year. The temperature is almost constant. There is no difference in the summer temperature as well as the winter temperature. So the mean annual temperature remains almost around 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year. So that is a very constant temperature throughout the year. So uniformity of temperature is a characteristic of the equatorial forest. There is no winter in the equatorial region, and every day there is heavy precipitation in the afternoons. So, the cloudiness and heavy precipitation helps to moderate the daily temperature. So, regular land and sea breeze also maintains equable climatic conditions. Vegetation of the equatorial forest, abundant rainfall, and high temperatures are very suitable for luxuriant forest and also supports high growth of trees. So there is a thick and wide variety of trees which are found in the equatorial forest. The trees of these forests are evergreen. That means they do not shed their leaves in any season. They always green because there are so many varieties of trees that even if one tree sheds, the other are evergreen and they are always fruiting and flowering. The thick forest of Amazon of South America are called as selvas because they have got extravagant and luxuriant forests. Thousands of varieties of trees are found in the equatorial forest, which are scattered all over the forest and not placed in one particular region. And the hardwood trees like ebony, mahogany, they grow and they basically are used for making furnitures, for railway racks, cabinets, and houses, as well as canopies or boats, etc. There is a distinct layered arrangement of the trees. They appear like a thick foliage or a thick canopy because they spread out over large areas and they are broken by only rivers or if they are cleared for cultivation. Here in these forests, all plants struggle to grow upward to get sunlight. The tallest tree, which is around 150 feet, grows skywards and spread over thick branches and all over the place and does not allow any sunlight to penetrate. The next layer of trees are ferns and herbaceous plants which can tolerate shade because very little sunlight can penetrate from the first layer of the trees as they spread over large areas, and multiple species of trees are found because they are not in pure strands. Malaysian jungle has got 250 species of trees, and this equatorial forest is actually commercially not exploitable. It is a very difficult task to do so. The wood of these trees are very difficult to cut as they are very very hard, and haulage is also very difficult as well as expensive. Now only the forests which are near the tropical rainforest have been cleared for lumbering as well as shifting cultivation, where patches of the forest are cut for cultivation and they are left abandoned for a certain time period, where some secondary forest grows which is not very tall and very luxuriant. The Amazon basin. Now, the Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It covers northwestern Brazil and extends into Colombia, Peru, and other South American countries. Amazon basin is the home of many native Indians and indigenous tribes. The most famous tribes amongst them is the Yanomami people, and the largest Amazonian tribe is the Ticuna tribe, which consists of around 40,000 people. Now, they use fertile soils to grow crops like corn and beans. Of these tribesmen are completely different from us. They grow some crops and also they practice shifting cultivation. They are skilled hunters and gatherers and make handmade bows and arrows. They also work in rubber plantations and grow some crops like sweet potato and maniocs. And some of these tribes are still uncontacted. Now, anyone can volunteer into the programs with different communities in the Amazon basin. And these volunteer programs give you an opportunity to immerse yourself into the lives of these local people and understand how they live. Being a volunteer, you can work with these groups, learn how to make tools, and also help children learn music, dance, English, vocabulary. You can also become part of research programs and animal conservation projects. I am attaching a few links below which you can check out later on. Now let's talk about the Congo basin along the river Congo in west of Africa. It's an equatorial region and some of the sites of Congo basin are also inscribed in the World Heritage List and located in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It's the home of many rare species like the African forest elephant and the pygmy hippopotamus and the chimpanzees, as well as bonobo and Congo peafowl. Congo is a very important source of agricultural water as well as for hydroelectricity. The main tribe of the Congo basin are the pygmies of the Congo basin, who are known for their short height. The average height is 155 centimeters only. These tribes are around 2,800 years old. Here the food is really sparse and the heat is really oppressive. The pygmies are known for their short stature. They are the ones who practice shifting cultivation, grow crops like yams, tapioca, maize, banana, and groundnuts. They also live in thatched huts. They make lots of products from cane and sell them to the nearby villages and towns. The dense forest of the Congo is full of epiphytes and parasitic plants. And along the swamps and the marshes, there are mangrove trees which are found.